In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Monday.com and Pandadoc integration. We're going to connect your Monday.com boards with Pandadoc so you can generate, send, and track documents right from your workflows. By the end, you'll have the Pandadoc app installed, added to a board, and authenticated so your team can work without switching tabs. Start by signing into your Monday.com account and heading to the home page. At the top of the interface, look for the small puzzle piece icon. That icon opens the Apps and Marketplace panel where you can add new tools to your account. Once the panel opens, you can browse, but we'll jump straight to what we need. Use the search field and type Pandadoc. When you see the Pandadoc listing in the results, select it to open the app page. On the Pandadoc app page, click Install. You'll be asked where to install the app. All workspaces or specific workspaces. All workspaces makes the app available across your entire account, which is great if multiple teams plan to use it. Specific workspaces limits it to just the areas you pick, which can help with governance. For this setup, choose all workspaces to keep things simple, then confirm by clicking Install. If you don't have permission to install apps, reach out to your Monday.com admin before proceeding. After the installation completes, you'll choose where to use the app. Select the workspace where you want to add Pandadoc, then pick the specific board that will host it. When the board selector appears, click the board name to confirm your choice. This adds the Pandadoc app as a view or widget tied to that board, so you can access it alongside your items. Next, click Add App to place Pandadoc on the board. You'll see a panel prompting you to log in. Sign into your Pandadoc account and approve the connection. If a pop-up or new window doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up blocker and try again. Make sure you authenticate with the correct Pandadoc workspace, especially if your organization uses multiple accounts. Once you're logged in, the board will display the Pandadoc interface, indicating the integration is active. From here, you're set to begin creating and managing documents from within Monday.com. A quick tip: keep your Monday.com item fields tidy and consistent. That will make it easier to use Pandadoc templates effectively later. And if your team works across several boards, repeat the Add to Board step on each board where Pandadoc is needed. That's it, your Monday.com and Pandadoc integration is installed, connected, and ready to use.